What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I am doing a reimagined version of Superman. I first started with some reference photos of Superman. And once I had a good idea of what I wanted to work with, I went and I found some reference photos of Asian men. And then I opened up Procreate and got to work. I first decided the pose I wanted him in, which was the classic Superman hero pose, arms on the hips, fists clenched. And I wanted it comic book style, cartoony, right? Dark shadows and tight lines. So I first got the pose down and then the face, and I was happy with that. Then I just went back and started putting in some detail of the chest area, the arms, and taking it from there. Realize I just want to put hints of where the abs are. And, you know, when you're doing the overall layout, you don't have to finish everything to full detail. Just get all the pieces in until you're happy with the layout. And then you come back and go darker, add details, and just keep building from there. And my initial sketch is on a bottom layer that I turned off after I completed my secondary sketch. And then we are just coming in with the dark black shadows. And instantly, once you start putting that in, you're seeing life being breathed into your character. It just takes it to a whole nother level, especially when the black shadows are done right or in the right places. You don't need too much of it. You just need it in the right places to emphasize certain areas and features. And that's one of the things with drawing and art and illustration, is what you leave out is just as important as what you put in. You want to leave the viewer enough room to imagine. And there we go. I got the S down pat. I ended up doing it backwards because one of my reference photos, I just changed up the view and I had it backwards, so I wasn't even paying attention to what I was doing. So I just found that funny. So after I did the S, it was too straight, and I had to make sure it went around the chest and looked more natural. And Superman is pretty simple. He's red, blue, and yellow, so it's just getting those tones in. And then once you do all the shadows, it's good to do a layer underneath it to fill out any crevices that might have miscolored. That, you know, when you drag the color in, it missed certain areas. So I just got some midtones in. Now I'm getting the highlights, and I'm going to blend the highlights and the midtones together so they kind of tone down the black and make it look like there's a transitioning point from whatever the initial color is in between the black and that. So you want to think about that if you're doing any kind of characters or want to add some element of realism in there. Right, so once I had that down pat and everything is looking nice, now I just came with the background. Of course, you know, it's Superman, so I want him in the air, get some clouds there, and we are happy with that. And there you have it, folks. We are done. My reimagined version of Superman. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, drop me a comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.